Last week, someone DM'd me with a platform which promises to reward users to for just watching short videos. I decided to take my time to review this particular platform, did my research, and I'm here to share my experience with you. Can you really make money from earning? Can you really make money by just watching short YouTube videos? How much can you earn? How legit it is? All right. Is it fake? Is it real? We are going to find out in this video. Before we go ahead to test this particular platform that promises to pay users for watching short videos, I just want to let you know that the link to my WhatsApp community is in the comment section. A lot of people have been complaining, how do I join your WhatsApp? The link is in the comment section of this video. You can click on it after watching this video to join the WhatsApp group. So you get access to me anytime. You get access to real updates, and you get access to scammy platforms. All right, you know that this platform is a scam, so you're always one step ahead of these scammers. You know what is real, you know what is fake. From my experience, we waste our time, we waste our money to know what is to test platforms, websites, and bring our own experience to you. So feel free to join the link in the comment section. Click on it, join the WhatsApp group as one family. Let's test platforms together. Let us join hands to see what's real, to discover what's real and what's fake on this online space. Now, this video is for educational purpose and informational purpose only. We have no intention of influencing your financial decision with this particular video. This is a review video, meaning we are sharing our experience with you, what we think about this particular platform. Can you really make money by just watching short videos? We have no intention of influencing your financial decision with this video. Always make sure you do your own research with tools like YouTube, Quora, Google, and Reddit, all right, to know what is real and what's fake, to have more information on any platform. Okay, I am not a financial advisor, I'm not an accountant, I'm just a content creator sharing my own experience. So do well to make your own research or seek advice from a professional financial advisor. Let's go ahead to test this platform and see how legit it is. The name of this platform is Sign-Flix. Sign-Flix. That is the name of this platform. Their official website URL is upstream.org something. So, but the name is Sign-Flix. Now, like I said, somebody sent it to me on WhatsApp. As you can see, that I should help review it so he knows if it's worth its time, or it's a scam, or it's something you should avoid. And that is the reason for this video. You can do same in case you're skeptical about any platform. Now, this platform pays you for watching YouTube videos, embedded YouTube videos. Embedded, meaning they have just taken people's videos from YouTube and embed into their platform. All right, they promise to pay you for watching videos. To sign up is very simple. You just need to input your name, username, email, and stuff like that. Always make sure you use your fake email. Don't give them your real email that has a lot of your information, because you don't know if the platform is going to be legit or they just want your information. You don't know what they are doing with your information. So do well to stay safe as much as you can. Now, this is how the user interface looks like. Very simple user interface, very normal. Yeah, straight to the point. Okay, so there are two ways to make money on this platform. Let me start with that. The first one is by watching videos. You get paid to watch videos. The second way is by referring friends. So you refer people and then you get paid. Now, let's see the other button. So dashboard, referrals, assisted referrals, profile. Good. As you can see, I haven't made any money on this platform. My balance is $0, zero ZAF. I haven't watched any video yet. All right, I have watched time. I have 0.00 minutes. I just created the account and I'm reviewing. Now, to start watching videos and getting paid, you click on watch paid videos and it takes you to where you can watch videos to get paid. Now, you can scroll to see the type of videos you can watch: inspirational, kids content, French, country documentaries. Now, for example, if you want to watch inspirational, you click on it, you click on watch. You see, these are embedded YouTube videos which have just embedded into their platform. As you can see, you see the YouTube logo there. The more you watch, or the more earnings you get. As you can see, these are my earnings within below the video. So I've earned 20 cents, 1 or 21 ZAF. So it's in dollar, and then they convert it to your local currency, so you know the value. All right, so this is the video playing. The more you watch, the more you earn. So this is how to watch video on the platform. Now let's go back and talk about the second way to earn money on this platform, which is referrals. Let's see how the referral option works. Click on referrals, and you see your team share your link and earn a 30% withdrawable commission on your referrals earning. So they don't pay when someone signs up, they only pay when they earn. You get 30%, meaning if you make $10, I have $3. So 30%, yes, I get 30% of every of my referrals earnings. So that is how it works. So you can just copy your link and share to your referrals. Now, the most important thing, how does this platform generate their revenue? That is the most important. That is what you should ask yourself whenever you want to start using any money making platform. How do they get money to pay you? Are they monetized with Google? Do they charge for subscriptions? How do they make money to pay you? That is what you should ask yourself whenever you get into any platform. Now, I noticed that these videos are embedded YouTube videos. They are embedded YouTube videos, and I haven't clicked on any ad since I logged in. I haven't seen any Google ad pop from anywhere in this platform. That is to say, for me, they are not monetized with Google Ads more. Now, okay, now let's go ahead to see how the withdrawal works. Now, if you scroll down, you start seeing the steps to getting your first withdrawal. The first step is that you must have 500 USD. That is the minimum withdrawal, 500 US dollars. What is this platform doing? What services are they renting? What services are you offering to this platform to generate 500 US dollars? What are you doing? Just watching short embedded YouTube videos, people's content on YouTube. That's what you're watching. How do they get money to generate 500 USD? They might justify that, okay, these people place their videos here for people place their videos for ads. You understand? Like a creator comes and lists their videos on their platform to get views. You understand? But that is still not enough to pay this high. The minimum withdrawal is very, very high. How long will it take users to reach 500 USD? It's going to take a very long time. 500 US dollars. The second requirement is that you must get 500 minutes of watch time. 500 minutes of watch time. The third is that you must have 20 referrals, meaning if you don't refer people, you cannot withdraw. Why? Referring people should not be a must. It should be a personal decision. All right. If I find your platform worthy, you don't need to tell me to share it to my friends and family. If I found your platform worth it, I will share without you even telling me to share, because I want to share with my friends so they too can benefit, all right, from what I'm benefiting. So they making referring or referrals a must goes a long way to show that this platform is not legit, if you ask me. Now, 2,000 minutes or minimum total watch time from referrals. So when we refer people, they must watch. Your total referrals must amount to 2,000 minutes of watch time. Meaning if you refer people and they come and don't watch, you still will not be able to withdraw your earnings. Guys, with all these steps, can you ever withdraw from this platform? Let me know in the comment section, because from what I'm seeing here, this platform, they just want traffic. All right, they just want your traffic, because how long will it take to accumulate 500 USD? And after you get 500 USD, you need to refer 20 people, and those 20 people need to watch up to 2,000 minutes. It is going to be very difficult to accumulate, to tick all these steps. So let's see their withdrawal options. Click on withdraw, and let's take USDT. Scroll down. You can see here they say withdraw instructions. Address. The minimum amount must be 500 USDT. So if you don't have up to 500 USDT, you cannot withdraw. CMTN, Orange Money. Guys, from my conclusion and findings, this platform is a scam. It is a scam. It will not pay you for watching short videos. These videos are embedded, they are not monetized with ads. These are creators don't even list these videos on this platform. They just go to YouTube and embed videos into their platforms, and then they just want your traffic. All right, they just want to keep you on their platform, want your traffic and stuff like that. And maybe at the end they might even ask you to deposit before you can take out your earnings. I don't know, I'm just saying, but they are not going to pay you. They're just scamming you of your time. Do not patronize it. This is a scam, and I'm going to give them a 0/10. All right, so for you requested I make a review of this video, if you're watching me right now, know that this platform is a scam and it's not going to pay you. All the payment proofs you see inside the platform are scripted. All right, they are not legit. They are scripted payment proofs. If you've withdrawn from Sign Flix before, drop your view proof of payments in the comment section. All right, let me know your experience in the comment section if you've ever used this platform. All right, for me, this is a scam. The minimum withdrawal is very high. They pay you very little per video you watch. Referral is a must. You must refer people before you can take out your earnings. Your people too must watch videos to enable you to take out your earnings. So all these things just justify that this platform is not willing to pay you. They just want to scam you of your time. So this is a scam, a well calculated scam, and it's for gullible people who feel like making money online is very easy. If you come here, you're just going to waste your time and you won't get paid. This is my honest experience. This is my honest review about this platform known as Sign Flix. Thanks so much for watching this video to the very end. I remain your humble host, Sergio, the guy that cares about your success. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share this video. This video is for educational purpose only. I have no intention of influencing your financial decision with any of my content. I'm just trying to educate the public and also inform you so you know what's real and what's fake from my experience. Do well to leverage on free tools like Google, YouTube, and Goa to make adequate research about any platform before you venture into it. Okay, you can also seek the help of a professional financial advisor, as I am not a financial advisor, I'm not even an accountant, I'm just a content creator. See you in a subsequent episode. Bye.